Hey cousin, I have a delicious and super easy to make banana loaf or banana bread recipe. It's surefire and foolproof. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna use those overripe bananas that you've been sitting on the counter and didn't know what to do with them. We're gonna use 3 of them, super ripe bananas. We're gonna peel them and put them in a bowl, mash them up. Before you throw away your overripe bananas, it's always a good idea to make a banana bread or banana muffins with them. In a separate bowl, I'm going to combine my dry ingredients. I'm using 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a dash of salt. I'm going to mix this together, and then I'm adding in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Combine that, and in a separate bowl, add in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Give that a good mix. If there are still butter clumps, that's perfectly fine. And then we're going to combine our dry and wet ingredients together. If it seems dry, don't fret. As soon as you add in the banana mash, it becomes a wonderful batter. I'm going to be baking my banana bread in a loaf pan. I have mine available in my Amazon shop. Check out the link in my bio. I sprayed my loaf pan with baking spray and I poured the batter right into the loaf pan. This is going to go into my preheated oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Look at our beautiful banana bread. I'm going to set this in the counter for half an hour to cool, and I'll be back in a little while to slice it. After I've sliced my banana bread, I'm going to sprinkle over some powdered sugar for a little razzle dazzle. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin. It is delicious.